Oh, Annabelle's playing with you? Guys, I think that is a very modern style. Dresses in baseball gloves. I like it.
My cousins were dancing and their nurse was suddenly said they want the catcher's mitt.
Yeah. Well, I like it.
Get on. You don't even catch balls right.
Whoa, he doesn't know how to catch yet
Catch
with
it.
the glove. He's learning. Why don't you show him? He's good at throwing. Oh, he hit you right with that ball. See, I told you he's good at throwing.